Here in Montclair, residents are grappling with the school district's nearly $20 million budget deficit and what it could mean for schools and homeowners. Despite having some of the highest taxes in New Jersey, Montclair Public Schools are facing down a $19.6 million budget deficit as officials search for ways to close the gap. How that happened is unclear. Superintendent Ruth Turner says an upcoming special election in December will allow voters to decide whether or not to raise taxes to cover the district's shortfall. The ballot will have two questions. The first, a one-time property tax increase to cover the 2024-2025 deficit, which is $12.6 million. Question 2 would be a recurring property tax increase to cover the current school year deficit, which is $7 million.
It's so important that our community and our voters are aware of what's at stake with these two questions, and as we approach the special elections, in order to ensure that we continue to provide the level of rigorous education for our scholars.
Alex Ross, a homeowner in Montclair, expressed concern about the potential of rising property taxes in a town where the average tax bill is over $20,000 a year.
I'm also concerned that the solutions that are being presented are either a threat that the state will take over, or you're going to have to pay a lot of money for this year and then for 10 years after that.
If the measure fails, the district would have to rely on state aid, which would cover only part of the deficit, leaving the district potentially facing $7 million staff and service cuts to balance the 2024-2026 budget.
That is the cuts that we've proposed to the board and to the public that would need to take place, not because those services and staff are not essential, is because we are obligated to reduce our budget deficit.
Last month, the Montclair School Board and Teachers Union approved raises starting at 3%. At a town hall meeting Thursday, school officials updated the public on a previous $188 million district bond referendum and the status of completed and ongoing improvement projects. Turner noted that these projects are not affected by the district's budget deficit because they are funded separately. Residents will vote on whether to raise property taxes on December 9th. In Montclair, New Jersey, Jeanne Caldwell, PIX 11 News.